Hello students, good morning to all. Today we'll continue our chapter number 18, Wildlife Existence. In the previous lecture we have to be discussed about in India located some national parks and sanctuary and bird sanctuary. It is situated at different states. Now this wildlife is necessary to protect because of after we have to be say that is a climate change and some other elements should be affected to the wildlife, and this wildlife creatures should be become a existent, so that necessary to have to be conserved this wildlife. So today we are going to discuss on the ways of to protect of wildlife. Dangers to wildlife. A question mark has been put against the existence of an entire wildlife due to the human greed and development in recent time. On examining the reason, it is understood that the wildlife has become unprotected as they have lost their natural habitat due to continuously decreasing forest. Continuous forest decreasing की वजह से that should be happening that hunting carried out to get skin, meat, teeth, hair and bones is a big problem. Due to heavy grazing by domestic animals in the forest, herbivores are deprived of their food which result in decrease in their number. जो herbivores है जो फूड की सर्च में फॉरेस्ट में जाते हैं तो जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स जो है डोमेस्टिक एनिमल को जो है हंटिंग करते हैं तो इसके वजह से भी ये कम हो रहे हैं. It will deprive carnivores of getting their food. So these carnivores reach human settlement in search of food. अभी धीरे धीरे ये herbivores जो है कम होने लगे हैं तो carnivores जो है they have to be find the food and come to across the human habitations. जो जहाँ इंसान रहते हैं वो जगह पे आने लगे. Attack domestic animal. As they approach human settlement situated, a conflict arises between the wildlife and human beings. This conflict leads the destruction of wildlife. Besides, the human activities in forest cause adverse effect on wildlife. Like to know, there is a sharp decrease in the number of domestic sparrow. Lion is the state animal and flamingo is the state bird of Gujarat. We know that. Ascetic lion, gudkhar and patti lizard are found in Gujarat in India. Wild buffalo, that is Indian bison, elephant, cheetah, large Indian squirrel, tiger, etc. have become extant in Gujarat. Desert sanctuary of Kutch is the largest among the sanctuary in Gujarat. Porbandar bird sanctuary is the smallest sanctuary in Gujarat. Due to the decrease in the forest area, the wildlife occasionally come within the human habitations. Human interference in area of wild animal result into a clashes with them. In such incident, wild animal become victim of human rage and lost their life. In South and Southeastern India, elephant coming in search for food create a havoc in the agriculture field. एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड के अंदर वो लोग जो है तूफान जो है एलिफेंट का जो है हंटिंग होता है उसके वजह से वो लोग एग्रीकल्चर एरिया में आते हैं और वहाँ पे फूड जो होते हैं और उसका जो है डिस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं, नाश करते हैं. इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ इंजरिंग ऑफ किलिंग मैन बाय अ लेपर्ड टेक प्लेस इन सौराष्ट्र एंड साउथ गुजरात एंड बाय वॉफ इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न गुजरात. प्रिकॉशन इज नेसेसरी टू प्रिवेंट सच डिजास्टर. तो ये इस जगह पे ये सारे डिजास्टर को रोकने की जरूरत है. रेमेडीज टू कंजर्व वाइल्ड लाइफ को बचाने की जरूरत है. अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग इज नेसेसरी टू कंजर्व एंड इंक्रीज फॉरेस्ट एरिया. वी शैल have to be more dedicated to implement a strong legal provision and their strict implementation for the conservation of forest areas and wild animals. Various social NGOs should give this top priority and arrange public awareness program. NGOs के द्वारा societies के द्वारा जो है ऐसा हेलो so that is necessary to NGOs has been doing this work. This problem should be included in the school syllabus and make the future citizen aware. Before implementing any development project is probable effect on environment and living organisms should be examined. तो ये स्कूल प्रोग्राम, स्कूल जो सिलेबस है उसके अंदर भी ये जो सब्जेक्ट है वो इन्वॉल्व किया है, जैसे कि फ्यूचर जनरेशन उसको समझ पाए. कटिंग ऑफ लार्ज ट्रीज outside the forest area should be stopped because the hollow space with them and their branches are nesting birds for birds. Pond, farm ponds and wetlands which are necessary for migratory bird and for those which are habited near any water bodies. जो ये ponds, water ponds, जो farm ponds है वहाँ से migratory bird जो है दूसरी जगह पे जाते हैं water bodies में, should be protected. उसको भी protect करना ज़रूरी है. An active action is urgently needed to reduce pollution. पॉल्यूशन की मात्रा घटाने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि जिसकी वजह से जो एग्जिस्टेंट क्रिएचर है दे हैव टू बी लॉस्ट देयर लाइफ. टू मैनेज द फॉरेस्ट फायर एंड एंटीसेप्टरी प्लानिंग शुड बी मेड फॉर द पेट्रोलिंग एंड सेफ्टी. नाउ स्टेप टेकन टू नेचर द वाइल्ड लाइफ. सिंस अर्ली टाइम्स लॉ हैव बीन फ्रेम्ड इन आवर कंट्री टू प्रोटेक्ट द वाइल्ड लाइफ. वाइल्ड लाइफ को बचाने के लिए लॉ तो फ्रेमिंग हुए हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस, लॉ वे फ्रेम्ड टू प्रोटेक्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ इन द टाइम ऑफ ग्रेट मौर्य किंग अशोका. Fundamental duties of citizens and directive principles in the constitutions also include this thing. We have to be already discussed into the lesson number 9. Parliament has passed a Wildlife Conservation Act according to the recommendation of Indian Wildlife Board to save the wildlife creatures. In 2014, there were 503 sanctuaries, 102 national parks, 14 bioreserves. Of these, 22 sanctuaries, 4 national park and 1 bioreserve zone happen to be in Gujarat. गुजरात के अंदर जिसमें से टोटल 102 नेशनल पार्क, 14 बायोरिजर्व्स और 22 सेंचुरीज जो टोटल है उसमें से 22 सेंचुरीज, 4 नेशनल पार्क और 1 बायोरिजर्व्स हमारे गुजरात में है. सम प्रोटेक्शन स्कीम्स आर प्लान्ड फॉर दिस स्पीसीज विच आर ऑन वर्जेज ऑफ एक्सिस्टेंस. लेट अस नो अबाउट द सम ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. Project Tiger. This project was launched in 1973 against the hunting and decreasing number of tigers. This was implemented for 9 reserved area under which now 48 areas are covered. Lion Project. There was a time when ascetic lions were found up to Iran in the Asian subcontinent due to hunting and reduction in forest area. These are now restricted to Gir forest of Saurashtra Peninsula. At one stage, their number had gone below 100. In 1972, a project was started in Guru to protect the ascetic lions. Ascetic lions को protect करने के लिए ये गिर project जो है वो launch हुआ. As a result of this project and the timely taken step, there are now 523 lions according to the lion census held in 2015. 2015 में लायन की जो पॉपुलेशन काउंट हुई सेंसस उसके अकॉर्डिंग टू 523 लायंस आर देयर. इन एडिशन टू दिस देयर आर अदर प्रोजेक्ट ऑल्सो. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे जो वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट्स जो है वो गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा इम्प्लीमेंटेड किए गए हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स अमॉन्ग देम आर अ हंगुल प्रोजेक्ट फॉर द रेयर स्पीसीज ऑफ Barsinga deer in Kashmir, crocodile project for the saline water crocodile, rhino project for the protection of Indian rhino and snow leopard project. So here we have to be studied this project is are implemented by government of India to live and serve the existence. Wildlife conservation is possible only if the society and the government show firm determination to take step in the right direction. Along with the development, we shall have to be dedicated to confirm our motto of environment preservation. Here we have to be given a general knowledge of Gujarat National Park. That is first one, Gir National Park. It is established in 1975. According to area cover is there 258.71 square kilometer. District should be there in Junagadh district. It should be situated and lion, leopard, chital, hyena, antelope, chinkara and crocodile. This type of species should be conserved at here. Second one, Blackbuck National Park. It is established in 1976. Area should be 34.08 square kilometer. It is situated in Bhavnagar district. Here, Blackbuck, Wolf, Cardmore, Bustard. These species are saved. Masda National Park, that is established in 1979. It is covered area 23.99 square kilometer. district situated in Navsari, and there are leopard, hyena, chital and sozinga. This type of creature are be there. And the last one is there, Marine National Park, that is established in 1982. It is covered in 162.89 square kilometer. This location put at Gulf of Kutch, Jamnagar district. Here seahorse, corals, jellyfish, octopus, ostrich, dolphin and dugong, this type of creature should be shown. So here students, we have to be complete our lesson. We also have to be get aware of to save this wildlife and other creatures. Thank you.